Number 1.
1980 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 151,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in brown with a tan interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by a strong 454 big block. Purchased from the original owner, the truck has been garage kept ever since and remains in excellent condition. It starts up perfectly every time, runs smoothly without a single issue, and the 4x4 system functions exactly as it should. Both dual gas tanks are fully operational, making it a reliable classic for any drive. Since acquiring the truck, the current owner has made several tasteful upgrades, including a new electric fuel pump and fuel line, a new Edelbrock carburetor with filter, and a brand new rear bumper. A true dual exhaust system runs straight from the headers out at 90 degrees with 2.5 pipes, giving it a powerful sound. Additionally, a new receiver hitch and a pair of new mirrors from LMC, still in the box, come with the truck. All windows have also been fitted with brand new tint. This well-preserved Chevy combines classic style with dependable performance, offering a solid big block 4x4 that's ready to drive anywhere.
Number 2. 1990 Ford F250, price $7,900.
It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by the strong 7.5L V8 engine, running on gasoline. Finished in its original brown paint with a matching factory interior, this long bed, two-wheel drive Lariat edition remains completely stock, right down to the wheels. The truck still carries the original dealer license plate frame, a testament to its history. Inside, the cabin is all original, and all gauges are in proper working order. Comfort features are fully functional as well, with both the air conditioning and heater performing excellently. The vehicle retains a clean title in the owner's name, has current registration, and successfully passes smog. A Carfax report is also available to verify its background.
Number 3. 1998 Dodge Dakota, price $4,500.
Showing approximately 141,000 miles, it is powered by an automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifting and reliable performance. The truck is finished in a classic white exterior that still presents nicely, while the interior features a gray color scheme that is very clean, comfortable, and well maintained. It comes equipped with convenient features such as power locks, power mirrors, and power windows, which add practicality to its solid build. The air conditioning works perfectly and blows ice cold, making it especially comfortable during warmer days. The factory radio is still functional, though the speakers would benefit from an upgrade to provide a better sound experience. The only minor flaw noted is that the right door lock actuator is not currently working, but this does not affect the truck's ability to be used daily. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,400.
This truck comes with a clean Texas blue title under the current owner's name. The truck has 185,273 miles on it and is powered by a dependable 4.3L Vortec V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and has been well maintained with many new parts recently installed. The truck now rides on 4 brand new tires, a new fuel tank, and a new K&N fuel filter. Additional upgrades include new spark plugs, a new catalytic converter, all 4 new oxygen sensors, a new battery, a new MAF sensor, a new air filter, and brand new fuel injectors. Beyond these, it also comes with several other new components, making it a reliable and refreshed classic pickup ready for the road.
Number 5. 1988 Chevrolet S10, price $6,500.
It has traveled 298,000 miles over its lifetime, though the 2.8L engine was professionally rebuilt only about 10,000 miles ago, ensuring strong and reliable performance.
Equipped with an automatic transmission and running on gasoline, the truck combines durability with classic appeal.
The exterior wears a gray finish that shows some age and roughness, but it carries a certain charm. It also features a custom grille, a Cervini's fiberglass hood, Craig RS/S wheels, and a dual-exit exhaust that give it a distinctive look. Inside, the brown interior has been nearly fully restored, boasting a new bench seat, a fresh headliner, new sun visors, a professionally refurbished radio, new speakers, and much more, making the cabin both comfortable and stylish.
Number 6. 1989 Dodge D150, price $6,000.
It shows just 98,000 original miles, making it a solid example of a classic late 80s Dodge truck. Under the hood sits a dependable 318 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth and reliable performance. Both the exterior and interior are finished in red, giving the truck a bold, cohesive look that stands out. The truck has been used as a daily driver and continues to perform well on the road. The air conditioning is in working order, keeping the cabin comfortable, while power windows and power locks are included, though the electric locks could use some minor attention. It has also been lowered and fitted with air assist on the rear, improving ride quality and stance.
Number 7. 1987 Ford F-150, price $6,500. Equipped with a dependable 5.0L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering both strength and smooth performance. The truck features an 8-foot bed, ideal for hauling, and is fitted with new BF Goodrich all-terrain tires for added reliability. Showing 141,000 miles on the odometer, the mileage is listed as exempt due to the vehicle's age. The exterior is finished in blue and remains solid with only light work consistent with its years, while the interior is clean and well kept. It carries a clean title, making it a strong and trustworthy choice for anyone in need of a classic, durable pickup. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet LUV, price $10,000. It has been restored with attention to originality, keeping it as close to stock as possible. Aside from the stereo, a few interior pieces, and some relays that were updated, everything remains true to its factory design. The truck features a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and classic appearance. Power comes from the original 1.8-liter Isuzu gasoline engine, which is paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that shifts smoothly and delivers an authentic driving experience. With its classic lines, preserved details, and reliable mechanics, the Chevrolet LUV stands as a great example of a vintage pickup that can still be enjoyed on the road today. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet C10, price $5,000. It has been lifted and fitted with a Vortec 350 engine from a 1990s Chevy, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck shows about 200,000 miles, though the exact mileage on the engine is unknown. Finished in white with a black interior and running on gasoline, it drives great with good oil pressure and steady coolant temps around 170 degrees. It comes with new tires, ball joints, and tie rod ends, though it will need a proper alignment. The AC works, and the truck has been rewired to restore headlights, signals, brake lights, electric fans, and the cooling system. Overall, it's a solid running classic pickup ready to hit the road. Number 10. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000. Equipped with a strong V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission, offering smooth performance for its age. While the odometer currently shows over 200,000 miles, both the engine and transmission have been replaced and have approximately 80,000 miles on them. The truck runs and drives well, supported by a solid frame that shows only minor surface rust at most. The exterior is finished in red, though the body panels show mismatched colors. The main cab has visible rust along the bottom of the door frames, particularly on the driver's side, while the fiberglass bed has some damage in certain areas. Inside, the truck retains its red interior, which complements the overall look.